Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now for a change of everything that I've been doing just lately, I thought I'd come on here and I'll show you what I've been doing. Okay, just a little bit of a show and tell, I guess. I've been making tags for journals and pockets, and I just wanted to show what I've been making. These are quite easy. I've been using pattern paper out of the patterns that you get to make clothes. So I've got some old pattern paper, and I got some really old lace from my good friend, and we had a bit of this morning and I had to put some on this because it was so nice. But all I did was just cover a bit of lace on there. I got a bit of I don't know if you could use that. It's a tucky thing. No, you can't, but I might stitch that along there or glue it down a bit better. But I forgot to sew that bit before I went round there on the machine, and I would have showed you what me sewing on the machine, only it makes a big clunking sound, so you probably didn't want to see that. And then I put a bit of lace on the front here just to hang down. So that's a little envelope I did. People have done many of these all over the place for a long time, but I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to. And in a minute I'm going to do a tutorial, I hope. Not on these, but I'm sure that people can manage to do these just fine. But I just wanted to show you how really cool they look, you know, just adding a bit of thing to this sort of paper, because I really do like the paper out of the patterns that people are just more or less throwing away. And this is a dear little piece of old, really antique sort of lace too that's on there, and that's a piece of a doily that I cut off, and I just made that wee tag so I can put in there to show you what happens. And you know, you put that in your book. And then there was this one, and this is made with a piece of now I sewed it up here because I wanted to sew that down. I'm hoping that's shot, and I wanted to keep that on there, so it's just different. It's got two patches now, and there's a piece of doily underneath it. I think you could stick something really extra special down in there if you wanted to. See, there's a little pocket there, plus there's this other pocket that goes back there. So really easy these things are to make, and fun too, because you can do whatever you like. There's no rules. You can just put them together however you want. And today I sat out there in the kitchen, in the lounge room, and I just put it together, and then I come in here and just stitched around it, because I find that if I'm trying to stitch it and do it at the same time, it doesn't seem to go as quick for me as if I make them first and then stitch around them. And this is just one that will be a pocket in the book, that you just put a bit of old embroidered doily on there, and just went around the outside, and then I put a piece of paper on the back of that to make it a bit more sturdy for the pocket. Then I got down to the tiny little size. Look, I've got a little tiny piece of ticket in here just to show you how small this little envelope is, and you can just put that down there and flip it under there and close him. Okay, so that's a tiny little envelope. That's there for show. I don't know what I'll put in there, something later I suppose. And here's another one, and that's got a dear little flower on it, and it's just got lace on it. Nothing to make. It costs nothing to make. You know, people pay a lot of money for embellishments, and you can just make them out of bits and pieces. Now this is a part of the pattern that goes around the sleeve, and I started to make it into a dress nearly, didn't I? But somebody, whoever had the pattern, already in their goodness stuck this paper on the back, so all I had to do was just put the sewing around and put a bit of lace on that, and put a piece of lace and a bit of doily on that. So that can go in the book and be used as a pocket part, okay? And then I've got this one here, and this has got still strings on it, and I don't like strings because a lot of people like to leave strings, but I don't like leaving strings because they get caught in things, and then it annoys me. And I hope I'm not showing these upside down, because I was used to filming things upside down, wasn't I? Okay, so this is another, the last one that I did, and this just got a bit of that pattern paper gathered along there. This is the part that's actually got the instructions on it. Well, that's what I mostly used, was the instruction paper, didn't I? It's the instruction paper out of the pattern book, out of the book that I used. So, and that's just a piece of doily, because I have heaps, and I'm cutting them up because I want to do something with them instead of having them sitting in the drawer. And I've got a really lot more, so I'll be doing that. So, but that's my bits that I've started with, so I'm going to be doing some more of them somewhere later on, and I'll be back in a minute because I want to show you now. I'll do a tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.